In this video guys, I will show you how to fix the Wolf keeps stopping problem. To fix this problem, you should follow some steps. Open the settings of your device, click at apps option and search for the Wolf. Click on it like this, scroll this list down, click storage, click clear cache only. After this, just back, click on for stop now, click OK. Now go to Play Store or App Store and update the Wolf. Restart here your device now, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel, and bye.